Tagmarshal Academy is here to help you harness the full power of on-course optimization technology this season. Our system uses AI and machine learning to give courses like yours real-time operational oversight and reporting so you can make smarter decisions. Tagmarshal Academy streamlines the training process with short, focused online courses, empowering you and your team to maximize the impact of our system. Our modern microlearning courses now include step-by-step tutorials to Tagmarshal 4.0 system upgrades and features, specialized modules on navigating the live map, advanced reporting, smarter geofencing, and more. Pro tips to optimize pace of play, course efficiency, and revenue. We know you're busy, which is why we have streamlined the learning process and made it customized. Training is tailored to your role and the devices your course uses. Or you can enrich your learning experience by adding your own modules. Concise. Courses take just 30 minutes to complete. Flexible. Train anytime, anywhere, on your mobile, PC, or tablet. The time you invest in training now will pay dividends throughout the season, making you more effective in your role and ensuring that you operate at maximum efficiency. This will allow you to focus on what is really important, like providing the ultimate golfer experience. Sign up for the Tagmarshal Academy today and maximize the value our system delivers.